super duper tired because I woke up at 7:30 and I took my shower, I filmed a video, and I hope that it's going to turn out to be okay, because afterwards I always love checking the video. And then it's all the renovation thing. Oh my god, it's consuming so much energy, so much money, and so much of my time. I cannot, it's like a full-time job, honestly. So here we are. That's income. Let me just continue with my vlog from yesterday. My life is all about ranting recently, and I will tell you why. I woke up early in the morning, I did my makeup in the hopes that I was going to film, and by 9 a.m. my neighbor was listening to TV. So I have got a new neighbor, and that's an elderly man. Usually he's calm, but I don't know, for 2 days he's been listening to Russian TV. What is more, I can hear that the TV channels that he's listening to are Russian. And then I went to the apartment where we're doing renovation, and I found out that the things, how is it called, by the way? It's like, what do you attach to the wall? I will just write it down. In the shop it was white, and now it's gray. So we called them and asked to change it for something beige, because we had the same in beige. It's my life. And I'm gonna leave for my repetition rehearsal. I had this reflection, which I shared in an ASMR video too. I really got frustrated also, in the sense that I dedicate time, I dedicate energy to projects of other people, and I have such a responsible attitude towards it. But my own project, things that I really want to do, things that I'm afraid to do, doing this all for someone else, for the project of someone else, but not for myself. Give myself some tea to relax. This is what we call, I forgot the name in Armenian. Urt. Thyme, I suppose. It's thyme in English. So I'll leave it like this. Heading to the repetition. Just posted a video. I will just go and take out this makeup that was useless today. I'm sad that the tile that I picked, I didn't like it. So tomorrow morning, going to the shops again, searching for a tile for the kitchen. Yeah. Let's continue our weekly vlog. I'm having my cup with lemon inside, a cup of water with a little bit of lemon, and for now I'm failing with my weekly vlog because, for example, yesterday we went to our countryside house to decide on several things, and I was thinking that I would film, but then, you know, at the end of the day when I'm really tired, and it was after my repetition and I was a little bit nervous and my mood is changing during the day, and then in the car I fell asleep. Then we saw this the guys were going to work there, and I totally forgot. So I remembered only that I didn't film on my way home. Well, even in the morning I did my hair, even though I'm not really happy with my hair recently. I feel like they are very dull, they are not shiny. Yesterday evening I realized that someone, either Anna or my mom, they threw away my, I call it cap, but I don't know if in English it's the same word as the thing that you put on your teeth, you know. It's like not, yeah, maybe it's a retainer. No, it's not a retainer. Retainer is something that you're wearing on your teeth. Like, Anna, you're not in my weekly vlog, please. I don't want to include you in my weekly vlog. So I called the orthodontist in the morning, and she told me to call around 3 o'clock. And then I got an appointment for my nails. No repetition today. I'm kind of happy for that. The house is super messy, so I will have the time to do the things around the house. Yeah, it's true. Like, it's really messy. It's really, really messy. Like, I cannot wait to move out of here. What a frank confession time. Well, I will just continue on drinking my water, and then we'll have to walk the dogs.
You can't wait to move on.
You are making the house messy.
No, you are making. Mom is always calling me and telling me that she's a terribly messy person.
Guys, I'm not a terribly messy person. Don't believe my sister. Never. Like, you'll see my house when I move out. You'll see if it's messy or not. It will be clean. Like, clean. So here we are in a different park. If you ever want like art by a dog, artist Muli. So I'm making some coffee before editing because oftentimes I'm falling asleep. In the end, I changed my clothes because like I was all dirty. Yeah, that's, I really am jealous of people who can walk their dogs and stay clean. And it's very warm outside. The sky is blue. And I still have like 2 hours before my nail appointment. It's almost midnight. We're having the last walk with the dogs and heading home, and you can see that it is still very lively. So can't wait to do my skincare. Today I filmed 2 Patreon videos where we discussed the ASMR artists that I like and that I watch. And then in another video it was all about ASMR, social media, OnlyFans, all that stuff. So it was more like a chit-chat podcast, just my opinion and reflections on different things. Now walking the dogs in the park, and afterwards having my rehearsal. She's definitely enjoying herself. Starting the day in the park. The weather is more beautiful tonight, and yesterday I didn't film anymore since I got very nervous with everything concerning the apartment and the renovation, and I had a very unpleasant conversation with the guy who's working there. I was really about to get my shower, and I put on like a podcast, and then I looked at the time, and it was like 5 minutes to 4, and I was like, oh my god, I have this appointment with my orthodontist. I really don't have any makeup on. I know that this is maybe kind of complex for me to feel without a makeup on, like without any absolutely zero makeup on. I really have. Someone is really nervous outside. I have to say, this is such a struggle for me to be in front of a camera without any makeup on, without any filters, without anything, for people to see your skin, because I think if I had like lashes, it would be more comfortable. That's something that I really would want to try, honestly, to have extensions. I'm going to go out tonight, this around 8, and we're gonna be at a restaurant with a colleague of my husband, and there's going to be like a soiree of Cuban music by Armenians, which is really funny when I'm saying this. I'll just make some coffee, and because I'm hungry, and I don't think that I'm gonna eat till evenings. Going to the restaurant. I'm talking just closer to the camera so that they can hear me. And I should not forget to pay for my parking. Lemon and ginger. Good morning. I adore this. Seems like I applied something on my lashes, but no. I just used curler, eyelash curler, without anything, without any mascara. Happy Saturday, and by this time I had to be preparing to go to my rehearsal, but it got cancelled because some people are really irresponsible. Like, if you fail, it's not gonna surprise me. The performance is in French, and not everyone speaks French well. The performance is on Monday. We had to have like a big repetition, big rehearsal today. I planned my day according to this rehearsal because I knew how important it was. And now it's cancelled. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. I mean, I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna brush my hair. I'm just going out like this. Passing by the American Embassy. This is the biggest embassy. Honestly, it's like huge. It's enormous. I'm going to first take the dress that I gave to adjust. Now, in a semi-traffic jam. It's a Saturday, so it's not really a traffic jam. Gosh, I cannot wait to change my car. Honestly, I should manifest it. I'm breaking out. Here. What's that? So we're back home. We walked the dogs, and then I went to the apartment. That part I didn't film. I forgot I didn't film to pick the where I'm going to have my outlets, electricity, and I haven't eaten anything since morning. So I got myself what do we call, like, what usually people call it kebab, but we call it shawarma, like Armenian burrito. Well, I have some bad news. I feel like I'm going to have like a sore throat and my nose is blocked. Oh my god, this is like too much of a recurring thing. So after the performance, I think that I have to get an appointment with the doctor for my throat and to resolve this problem finally, to start breathing normally, to stop having like from time to time I feel like I'm having a sore throat or something So today I will just spray a lot of things in my throat because I cannot lose my voice just before the performance. That would be terrible. But you can. I don't breathe normally. It's late in the evening, that's why the quality is poor. And I'm in the car, and I'm gonna leave here in my dress for tomorrow. I have my boots and taking my bag and taking my leather jacket, and I have my cap also. So gonna make some dinner tonight. Look at this plan of Vienna. It's a cat baby, and it shows all these spots in Vienna. I actually have like a vlog that is in French. I should make it in English too. So I'm going to have a chamomile tea and a little breakfast because I had a very stressful rehearsal. It was terrible. So it's 10 in the evening and I'm going to my repetition. Okay, I look
Route
terrible,
recalculated.
I think.
Oh my god, my sister's just